Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for January 2025. So we will see what are the energies coming to you ngayong January. Okay, so this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description. At sa pinned comment, pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. At mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, Aries. Let's see what are the energies for you this January. North Node. Oy. Aries. You are facing your future. Maaring marami kang mga future plans. You also have 6th house, which is about your job, your daily routine. I think magkakaroon ka ng healthier lifestyle ngayon January. Yes. Meron kang transformation, no? Meron kang pagbabago na gagawin sa iyong sarili. Na you will be more healthier, you will eat good food, mas mag-exercise ka. Yung iba sa inyo naman ay may mga meditation activities na gagawin to center your energies, no? Yan, no? Yung iba sa inyo may mga energy work or healing na gagawin this January. Also have organization, so you are going to organize yung space mo, bahay mo, yung schedule mo. Kumbaga, you want to start January na organized, maayos, hindi magulo. Ayan, and you are also ready for a new beginning, a transformation, mga bagong experiences. Let's see what else. For Aries, ngayong January 2025. You have the 8 of Cups. Oh, you are leaving a situation that is no longer serving you. Yung iba meron kayong journey. Some of you, this is spiritual journey. Yes, you are healing. Tutuunan mo ng pansin yung sarili mo. You're also becoming more challenged, no? China-challenge mo yung sarili mo for a better better version of yourself. Oh, with the Death card, this is transformation, change. It's like a new you. Wow. Okay, so something is ending and meron ding new beginnings. I feel like meron kang bagong path na tatahakin, bagong landas, bagong career, bagong business, bagong project, na kung saan nandun yung iyong interest, nandun yung inyong focus. With the moon, I think you are divinely guided here, Aries. Maari ring merong mga tao na will try na i-discourage ka sa mga plano mo. Let's say, for example, gusto mong magtayo ng negosyo, tapos sasabihin ng iba na nakakaalam sa plano mo na, ano yan, baka hindi yan maging successful sa'yo, baka kaya mo ba yan? Alam mo yun na parang merong mga kumukontra, or pwede namang sila, no? They care. Pwedeng gano'n, na mayroong silang pakialam. Magkaiba kasi yung may pakialam sa nangingialam. So, dapat you have to figure that out. Kasi, someone will try to pull you down para hindi mo magawa yan. Kaya nga, kailangan ma-encourage mo yung sarili mo to take action. To be more inspired. Kasi yung iba sa inyo maaaring madali kayong ma-impluwensyahan ng iba. Lalo na kung very convincing yung tao na yon. Kahit sa anong aspeto, let's say pag sinales talk ka ng isang tao na magaling talagang mangumbinse, mabibili mo yun eh. Yung isang bagay kahit hindi mo naman kailangan. Ganon energy. So, you have to be focused on your goals para yun talaga yung ma-achieve mo for January. And sa 2025 na rin, as a whole, no? Kasi ngayong January for you, it's very critical in terms of change. Kasi kung hindi ka magiging open sa changes ngayong January, medyo mahihirapan ka na mag-set ng bagong goal. You get my point? Kasi minsan, nag-set ka ng goal ng January pero hindi mo na simulan. So, sa tingin mo ba, masisimulan mo pa yun ng February, March, or sa mga susunod na buwan? Pwede kasi hindi ka na, mawalan ka na ng direction, no? So, ngayong January is critical for you to make that change, that major change. Kasi ang daming cards dito that talks about your transformation. Okay? So, there is transformation, new beginnings. There's also healing for you, taking a rest, taking a break, para pag bumalik ka, bongga, pasabog, ganon. Because you are focused on your future, what's ahead of you. You are preparing yourself. Pine-prepare mo na, hinahanda mo na yung sarili mo. Let's see what else. Aries. January 2025. Deep friendship with someone of the same sex. Okay, so pwedeng meron kang super friend, BFF, na will play a major role in your life ngayong January. Uy, money path, oh. A path with money is waiting for you to find it. Oh. Hinihintay ka lang daw na mahanap mo yung money path na yan. So, this can be a new job, a new career na sisimulan mo. May family sorrow dito. Yung iba sa inyo maaring a family member, meron siyang sarili niyang personal na pinagdadaanan na maaring maapektuhan ka kasi family member yun eh. You also have love. So, some of you, this can be love for yourself, love for your work, for your career, for your job, or for your romantic partner. You will be playing a different role. Oh, playing a different role. Pwedeng may iba kang project or ibang trabaho na gagawin. Purse, pay attention to your finances. Yes. So, maging maingat sa iyong kaperahan. Wag masyadong burara. Or, be mindful of your belongings, especially your money, yung wallet mo. Baka kasi mawala, no? Ma-misplace mo. And, even yung paraan mo ng pag-spend ng pera, be mindful. Maging maingat na hindi lahat kailangan mong bilhin. Okay? Golden Unicorn Ascension, awaken to your soul's potential. You are ascending. May itong pagbabago mo na to, it's more of awakening sa'yo. About something na, yung mga kailangan mong baguhin sa buhay mo dahil alam mo na kung gagawin mo yon makakatulong sa'yo. At kung hindi mo na gagawin, makakatulong sa'yo. Okay? Digital detox. So, yung iba sa inyo, Aries, iwas muna kayo sa social media. Magpapahinga o kaya meron kayong i-deactivate na social media account. Ancestral healing. Yes, you are healing from your past. So, your ancestors are holding space for you to heal your past. So, this can be yung mga naging problema, issues mo with your connections, relationships, yung mga experiences mo in the past. Part ng pag-heal mo ay magiging daan yan for you to make some changes in your life na masasabi mong it's a brand new you. Okay? Yung dating ikaw, wala na. So, meron ng bagong Aries, bagong ikaw. Mas matapang, mas malakas, mas magaling. Oo. mas determinado, mas maingat. Ayan. So, be open to these changes. Dahil there is something good, there is something beneficial na naghihintay para sa inyo. Okay, so that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.